In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and organize customer contacts in Xero. We'll walk through the essentials of working with your customer list so you can find the right people quickly, understand their history, and keep everything tidy and accurate. Let's get started by logging in to Xero. Once you're in, head straight to Contacts. This is your central hub for everyone you do business with. From there, select Customers. This view focuses specifically on the people and companies you invoice, giving you a clean, organized list to work from. Take a moment to review the customer contacts list. You'll see names, key details, and often helpful indicators about recent activity. Scanning this page regularly helps you spot duplicates, inactive customers, or accounts that might need attention. If you're looking for someone specific, use the Search for a Contact bar to find a customer. Type a few characters of their name or company, and Xero will filter the results instantly. This is the fastest way to jump to the right profile, especially when your list starts to grow. When you find who you need, click the customer name to open the contact profile. Inside, review customer activity and payment history. This area gives you context: recent invoices, payments received, outstanding amounts, and interactions that help you understand the relationship at a glance. It's a great place to prep before a call or check in after sending an invoice. While you're there, check customer balances under You Owe or They Owe. This quickly shows whether the customer owes you money, or in some cases, if you owe them a credit. These balances are key for prioritizing follow-ups and keeping cash flow healthy. Back on the customer list, you can take action on multiple contacts at once. Select contacts using the checkbox if needed. With your selection made, click Add to Group to organize contacts. Groups are perfect for segmenting customers by region, account manager, priority, or any category that helps your workflow. Consistent grouping makes reporting and outreach much easier. If you notice duplicates, click Merge to combine duplicate contacts. Merging keeps your records clean by unifying history and balances into one contact. Review carefully before confirming a merge, since this action affects past transactions and can be hard to undo. Finally, when a customer is no longer active, click Archive to archive customer contacts. Archiving removes them from your day-to-day lists without deleting historical data, helping you keep the active view focused and clutter-free. And that's it. Simple steps to manage, search, review, organize, and clean up your customer contacts in Xero.